number 101 is a 2007 Bluebird All-American school bus. This is an 84 passenger bus that was involved in a front-end collision. It's been sitting back here for over 2 years. Parts have been removed, many parts have been removed. This is being sold as a junk candidate. It's got heavy damage to the front corner, passenger side corner. The staircase or the stairway on the way in is all bent out of shape, and the door is broken. The metal is crushed right there. It looks rough. Let me show you the back. It's got dents all along the side. It's got dents on the roof. It's missing the cabinet door or the access door here on the side. Check out the roof, how lumpy. It appears to be dry inside, so no water's getting in. It's missing the whole rear corner panel right there. It's missing the whole bumper. Parts have been pulled from the engine. Maybe missing the computer. Transmission and exhaust appear to be in place. Mechanical conditions are unknown. This bus was parked and brought out of service due to the accident. So I assume that the bus was running and that the motor was in good running condition when the accident happened. But I do not know that for sure. I'm just assuming. Again, parts have been pulled off. It's been sitting back here for 2 years, and it's being sold as a junk candidate. It should go to a parts place. It shouldn't go to the person that wants to make it a motorhome or something, because this one just needs a lot of work. It may be better for parts, or maybe good for storage, but I wouldn't try and fix this one up. Again, the mechanical conditions are unknown. Tires hold air. All the tires appear to be holding air. Let me walk on the other side. That door right there does not close. The front bumper has heavy damage. So does the body. Unbelievable, but the glass didn't break. The body came out from under it, and it didn't break the glass. Alright, here's the driver's side. The driver's side looks straight. It's got that emergency door, which they already took the handle, but the door is solid. The whole driver's side looks good. Let me show you inside. All the seats are, most of the seats are in there. The driver's seat is gone. A lot of the gauges and instruments are gone. Both overhead AC units are still in place. It looks like they're missing vents, but they are in place. The seats look moldy. Some of them may be torn. I'm not going in. This is all you get right here. All right, well, again, this one is being sold as a junk candidate. Look at this heavy damage it has right here, how that metal is all twisted. All right, that's it. It's lot number 101, an All-American Bluebird 2007 school bus. Good luck.